The checklist obtained by 11 News includes 8 questions about allegations of misconduct, bias, or excessive force, pending internal affairs investigations, criminal charges including serious traffic offenses, and lawsuits including domestic matters. It's needed, according to Chief Deputy State's Attorney Michael Schatzow, so that prosecutors can determine if they have the obligation to disclose it during a criminal case.
Similar questions have been answered for years, and they have an obligation to provide the information. We have an obligation to ask for it.
The questions, he says, are part of best practice used across the country, including federal cases. But Police Union President Gene Ryan issued a letter to union members Monday stating, "We strongly advise that you refuse to complete it until we have more clarification as to its purpose." Ryan says he has specific concerns about the questions asking if officers have sued anyone, or been charged with traffic offenses.
It's overreaching because the agreement and the order that was signed back in March had to do with internal affairs investigations and files. It said nothing about your personal life.
Ryan calls the checklist a knee-jerk reaction to an isolated incident in reference to police corruption exposed during the Gun Trace Task Force case.
It shouldn't affect the really honest, hardworking professional police officers we have out here.
I think in light of the things that have been going on in the city with the police department over the last several years, everyone should be able to understand why it's important that we seek this information out and provide it to the defense.
And now the letter from Ryan informs officers that the state's attorney's office can't force them to complete the checklist, but he says that they should comply if ordered by a ranking member of the Baltimore Police Department. Reporting live in North Baltimore tonight, Kai Reed, WBAL TV 11 News.
Kai.